Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Steps to alleviate poverty. The government has initiated various specific programs to control the problem of poverty and unemployment. National Scheme of Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment. Its main thrust is on equipping rural youths in the age group of 18 to 35 years with necessary skills and technology to take up vocations of self-employment in agriculture and allied industries. It is a very useful, effective measure to generate self-employment opportunities in rural areas. Self-employment programs for urban poor. This program launched on September 186. The objective of this program was to provide self-employment opportunities to the poor people in the urban area like rickshaw pullers, cobblers, washermen, newspaper sellers, vendors, cycle and scooter mechanics, etc. As in rural area, unemployment is also rampant in urban area. This program is a very effective measure to create employment opportunities for urban poor. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. This scheme was launched in April 28, 1989 in the Lok Sabha. The Yojana seeks to provide employment to at least one member of each rural family for 50 to 100 days in a year. The Yojana is implemented through Gram Panchayat. Nehru Rozgar Yojana. It was started on October 89. It is the counterpart of Jawahar Rozgar Yojana in the urban sector. The main target of the scheme is to create opportunities for self-employment as well as it creates wage employment for the urban poor living below the poverty line. Prime Minister's Integrated Urban Poverty Eradication Program. This scheme was started during 95-96. The main target of this scheme is to achieve social sector goals, community empowerment and employment generation, skill upgradation and environment improvement under a long-term strategy. Employment Assurance Scheme. EAS started on 2nd October 93. The main target of this scheme is to provide 100 days of manual work of unskilled nature to rural poor seeking employment, especially during agricultural season. This scheme has tried to reduce the unemployment problem to some extent. Jawahar Gram Nidhi Yojana. The main thrust of Jawahar Gram Nidhi Yojana is to create additional employment opportunities to the rural families so that it can help rural families to increase their in their standard of living and quality of life. Rural Works Program. During fourth 5-year plan, the government introduced this program involving construction work in rural areas. It was expected that these programs would create employment opportunities in rural areas. Integrated Rural Development Program. The IRDP came into force in 1980 to alleviate rural poverty. This program is implemented at grassroots levels through block development offices. The main objective of IRDP is to raise the families of identified target group above the poverty line and create substantial opportunities of self-employment in rural sector. Small Farmers Development Agency. The government, under the recommendation of Bhagwati Committee, undertook this scheme during the fifth 5-year plan to provide adequate credit to small farmers to enable them to adopt the latest techniques of cultivation and diversify their activities. Marginal Farmers and Agriculture Labor Development Agencies. It is undertaken to help marginal farmers with subsidized credit for undertaking dairy, poultry, fishery, piggery and horizontal activities. Drought-prone areas program. It was undertaken during the fifth plan to create gainful employment among the general people of drought-prone areas. Development of women and children in rural area. This project aims to improve the condition of rural women through the creation of income generating activities in selected districts with low literacy rate and high infant mortality rate. Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarajkar Yojana. It is launched in April 99, which integrates the self-employment programs IRDP, TRY, SEM, DWA, CRA, etc. It aims at providing employment opportunities to rural poor, establishing large number of small enterprise and forming self-help groups. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.